Welcome to the Hockey Network. Brits Hockey Network. Whoops. I messed that up. And you probably won't be seeing this till next Monday because I'm going to the beach and I won't be able to make videos. So I figured I'd upload. Monday is going to be the start of a playoff preview. Playoff preview. The first playoff preview, because this is going to be the first game of the playoffs, will be Rangers against the Hurricanes. At 12:30 Eastern Standard Time will be the first game. So, this year, the Rangers were 37-28-5 and went 4-0 against the Hurricanes during the regular season. Their power play is 22.9%, and their penalty kill was 77.4%, thus giving them a power play of 100.3, which means they barely make a good team in a playoff spot. The Hurricanes were 38-25-5 with a 0-4 regular season record against the New York Rangers and a power play of 22.3 and a penalty kill of 84%. They have a total special team percentage of 106.3%, and that is pretty darn excellent. If this was a special teams battle, Hurricanes will definitely beat the Rangers in that by 6%. Their starting lineups, this is how I think they're gonna go. They're gonna probably put Panarin with Zibanejad and Kaka, Kreider with Strome and Buchnevich, Howden with Sheedle and Lettieri, Smith with McKegg and Fast. This is first line, second line, third line, and fourth line. First line defense, I think it's going to be Trouba with D'Angelo. Second pairing will be Fox with Stahl. And then third pairing will be Hayek with Lindgren. And I think their starting goaltender will be Shesterkin, with their backup being Georgiev. And the Carolina Hurricanes lineup will go as follows. I believe that this is the lineup they're going to go with. Sneshikov with Aho and Teravainen in their first line. Second line will be Niederreiter with Trocheck and Natchez. Third line will be Dzingel with Stahl and Williams. Fourth line will be Foegele with Martinook and McGinn. And again, this will change probably. Williams will probably end up going to the fourth line. Martinook sometimes would be a healthy stretch. And Morgan Geeky will get in. And Foegele will probably stay in that fourth line spot as well. With defense, it's probably Hamilton with Slavin, Shea with Vatanen, and Gardner with Edmondson. And their starting goaltender, I thought, would be Mrazek. And their backup would be Reimer. Again, you probably won't see this until Monday. Because I'm going on vacation. Woo. Yay. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to subscribe, do so. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers so I can do all the Q&A and stuff over there. Do my gaming on my Twitch channel. And then want to type in the comments what you think, as well as hit that notification button to get videos when they go live, especially these, because they won't be going out till Monday. Not this week, but the next coming up week, because Monday has already passed this week. If you never figure that out, then you're living probably in another dimension. But, or another place in the world where you probably have the next day going on. If you come by, thank you, and I'll see you guys later on for more videos.